Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a clean optical or capacitive fingerprint scanner and connecting it to your device. You want a clear ridge image, so wash and fully dry the finger, oil and dirt blur detail. Once connected, launch the capture software and calibrate it. Set resolution to about 500 dpi for identification quality images. Press the pad gently, not hard, and tilt slightly to find the best contact. Make sure ambient light and reflections are controlled, so the scanner records ridge detail rather than glare. Now capture the print by positioning the pad flat and then rolling the finger gently from one nail edge to the other to record the entire pattern. Take 3 to 5 captures per finger to ensure redundancy. Label each image with the subject's name, date, and finger position. Watch the software's quality meter. If it flags an image, recapture with slight pressure or a momentary pause between attempts. Once you have consistent high-quality frames, select the best file and save it in an uncompressed format for future processing. Finish by verifying each saved image for ridge clarity using the software's inspection and contrast tools, while always keeping an untouched original file. Back up the captures to an encrypted drive and limit access to authorized users only. If scans look faint, troubleshoot by recleaning the finger, trying a slightly different angle or pressure, or increasing ambient humidity a bit to bring out ridge detail. Avoid overpressing. One key tip: if captures repeatedly fail, switch scanners or consult the device manual to confirm driver and resolution settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.